This is Guru from 3D Fully Design. Here you could see a steel tray which is a part of water dispenser machine. This is of chrome stainless steel 1.5 mm thick, 3 formed metal pieces welded together.
Here you could see approx overall dimensions in mm. 3D visualization of the final design. Let's draw the main sketch with dimensions for the tray. All are lines. Let's convert this sketch into a formed metal piece of thickness 1.5 mm to a length of 573 mm. Let's curl the edges of formed sheet metal piece towards inside on both front and back. Let's sketch for piece 2, which is exactly to match the side profile of the main piece. Let's convert the sketch into a metal piece. Let's add some rounds to remove the sharp edges. Let's add some walls to the bottom edges of side piece. Let's validate the design, checking for interferences between main piece and the side piece. Let's move the side piece about half mm to avoid interference. Let's curl the edges of side piece by keeping small clearance. Let's duplicate the side metal piece to the other side. Let's sketch group of circles of dia 6 mm for drainage holes. Let's make the drainage holes. Replicating the holes on the adjacent face for drain. Made 4 holes of dia 6.5 mm for mounting of the full tray. Applied the material chrome stainless steel for the full tray. Let's weld 3 formed steel pieces together. Final weight of the tray 2.3 kg. 3 steel pieces in flattened state could be exported to laser cutting. Exploded view of 3 formed metal pieces. Finally, realistic rendered image.